Sir, the oxygen level is bottoming out in Sector G. What do you want me to do about it?
Don't do anything.
But they won't last an hour, sir.
Fuck them. Be a good lesson to the others.
Come on, Cohagen, you got what you want. Give these people air.
My friend, in 5 minutes, you won't give a shit about the people. Fire it up, Doc.
Reply. Don't forget to subscribe.